Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to deactivate your Facebook account. So first you need to tap Facebook application, and after that tap the three lines at the upper right corner, scroll down, and then tap security and privacy. Tap settings, tap action center, and after that tap personal details. Tap account ownership and control, then tap deactivation or deletion. Then tap your Facebook account that you want to deactivate, and then tap continue. Enter your password, tap continue, and then choose why do you want to deactivate your Facebook account. Tap continue, scroll down, then choose how many days do you want to deactivate your account. Then tap continue. After that, scroll down and then tap deactivate my account to deactivate your Facebook account. So this is how to deactivate your Facebook account. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button or click the notification bell to notify you to our next tutorial.